Imagine a smart doorbell that not only greets visitors but begins doing something unsettling. One evening, as the Johnson family settled in for a quiet night, their doorbell activated, displaying a strange face on the screen. Confused, they glanced outside, finding no one present. The doorbell chimed again, this time showing footage of moments they thought were private. As anxiety mounted, the device began to distort their voices, replaying private conversations from earlier that day. With each new glitch, they realized the thin line between convenience and invasion had blurred. Could their seemingly harmless gadget truly become an uninvited observer in their lives?